Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. These are for sale in my Etsy shop, and soft gel full nail covers are just perfect for you if you have problems shaping like me. They just make the whole process of applying nails in general 10 times faster as well. So here all I'm doing is taking the nails and sizing them out to my nails to make sure that they fit wall to wall. The link, as always, will be down below in my description. So for this video, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. I also sell this in my Etsy shop as well, and this is quickly becoming one of my best sellers. You guys love it and I love it as well. You'll see in a moment how quick and easy it is to use this product. I am still a polygel lover, but this product has made nail application process 10 times quicker for me. As you can see, all you do is go in, scoop out a small amount, and you just press it on your nails and go. It's super easy. All you do is press it on, cure, and that's it. The texture is kind of like a Play-Doh texture. So as you know, polygel is kind of gooey and liquidy and a little bit, it's kind of like a slimy type of texture. This is more of a putty or a Play-Doh texture. And you can touch it, you can roll it, you can play with it. It's super easy. But all you do is you scoop a small amount out, and you kind of get the hang of it. The more times you use it, you know what's too much and what's enough. It all varies depending on the size of your nail beds and how much coverage you want. But all you do is go and scoop it and literally press it on and go. As you can see, a few times I did swipe the sides of my nails just to make sure that any excess that may have squeezed through on the sides is removed before curing. This also helps eliminate the amount of cure time as well. Instead of putting your hands in and out the lamp, it's nice because you can just apply all of your full nail tips and then do one cure instead of going in with each and every finger. So I really love this product. As always, the link is down below, but I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply these tips. So here's what the nails are looking like. We're going to go in with an 80/80 grit file and start sizing my nails. As I said, shaping is super easy with these, so there's not too much to it. The link to these nail files will be in my Amazon storefront. I love 80/80 nail files, and I definitely recommend giving them a try if you're used to 100/180 grits. Additionally, I'm going to go in with these nail buffers, and I'm just going to buff my nails. You want to make sure that you're buffing the tops of your nails before applying any type of nail polish, just so you can ensure maximum adhesion. For nail polish today, we're going to go in with OPI Put It in Neutral. I love this shade. Only thing about OPI nail products is that you do have to build coverage, but it's a love-hate because sometimes I do want like a super light coverage, but sometimes I want the super full coverage. So for this look, I wanted full coverage. So because of that, I did have to go in and do 3 coats. But overall, I love OPI gel colors. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. OPI, if you're listening, hit me up. But I'm just going in and I'm applying this to my nails. Also, a heads up, I know it can be hard to find OPI gel polishes online for purchase. Like if you go on Amazon, sometimes you need like a beauty license or something. But if you have a local TJ Maxx or maybe even Marshalls, I am noticing that they do sell OPI gel polishes in TJ Maxx now. I actually did score a top coat and a base coat that was a gel by OPI at my local TJ Maxx. And they did have some other colors as well. So definitely give it a try if you're looking to try some OPI products at a discounted price. So here's the top coat and base coat that I scored at my local TJ Maxx. As you can see, I purchased both for I believe $7, which is a great deal. And I couldn't believe they sold OPI gel polish at TJ Maxx. I'm telling you guys, check it out because this top coat was phenomenal. You definitely have to wipe it after curing because it is not a no wipe top coat, which is the only thing. But I'm just gonna go in and apply my top coat and cure. So for this video, we're going to be using they're like smoky style stickers. I purchased these stickers off of AliExpress and I'll be sure to leave the link to them down below. As you can see, I'm just going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just wiping my nails down because as I said, the top coat by OPI does leave behind a little bit of a residue. So after you wipe it, I'm just going in with these stickers and I'll be sure to link them down below. But they were super cute. They added a nice little touch to my nail design. Next time I do this, I'll probably add in like some gold paint on the streaks as well, and maybe a gem or two, or you know, just jazz it up a little bit. But I'm just gonna go in and apply that sticker and go. These stickers were really good as well. Some stickers don't stick well or they be really bumpy, but these stickers were great, and I just love how quick and easy you can add designs to your nails instead of, you know, hand painting everything. It just makes the process so much faster. So here's a closer look at them. I'm just going in with these needle point tweezers, and yeah. Alrighty, so for the final step, cuticle oil, these are also sold in my Etsy shop. For today, we're going in with the scent Rose, and all I'm doing is taking this cuticle oil and applying it to my cuticles. As I say in every single video, it doesn't matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nails are not going to be cute, sister girl. You want to make sure that you invest in a ultra hydrating cuticle oil. Here's the final design, super cute and super simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Definitely don't forget to check out the description because all products are linked below. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for rocking with me. And if you made it to the end, you're the best. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.